Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your Chrome browser history and cookies on your computer. Whether you want to boost your browser speed or just want a fresh start, we have got you covered. Let's dive right in. First step, open your Google Chrome browser. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and click on that Chrome icon. After coming on Google Chrome browser, we need to access your browsing history. In the top right corner of the Chrome window, you will see three vertical dots. Click on those. After that, now move your cursor down to history and then click on history again in the menu that pops up. Here we are on the history page. You can see all your browsing history listed right here. If you just want to clear individual items, just click the three vertical dots next to each one and then click on Remove History. But if you want to do a more thorough cleanup, let's clear everything at once. In the left sidebar, click on the Clear Browsing Data. A dialog box will appear. Here you can choose the time range you want to clear. If you want to delete everything, select All Time from the drop-down menu. Next, make sure browsing history cookies are checked. You can choose what you want based on your needs. And here is another option called Advanced. From here, you have two options called Download History and Password and other signed data. There is two extra options. We won't go for the advanced, just go to Basic and clear or check your browsing history cookies other side. Once you have made your selection, click on the blue data button at the right bottom. All done. Your browsing history and cookies are now cleared, giving you a fresh start right now. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching How To channel, and we will see you in the next video.